Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm so excited to share it with you guys that I'm moving to China for my further studies. And it was a hard decision for me to choose which country I'm gonna go for my further studies, but I chose China, or you can say that China chooses me as I got a scholarship over here. So I'm gonna pack my luggage today and I'm gonna share it with you guys which things I'm taking with me and which things I'm leaving behind. If you have any plan to move to China as a student in near future, or you're planning to travel to China and your stay gonna be for more than 6 months or 1 year, this video is for you. And it's gonna help you a lot, like which things are really necessary to pack. Let's start the video. First of all, you need to buy a good quality luggage bag. And the second thing is you need a good phone. Like the phones you're using in your hometown, they won't work. A lot of guys, they had good phones in their hometown and they were using it and they said like the performance was good. But when we come here, we need to install a lot of apps. Everything is in phone. Our cash payment, our taxi, even opening a bicycle, everything is gonna be in phone, cell phone. So you need a good quality phone and good luggage, because when they put the luggage in the aircraft, sometimes it wear and tear some parts of it, and a lot of travelers have faced it. So we need a good luggage and a good mobile phone first. So guys, this is how I pack my luggage and make my things ready. First of all, these two pairs of sneakers, how can I forget them, because they were my favorite ones. All the others I just left them at home. For sure, one pair of slippers. And then I tried to roll some jeans to save some space. I have seen somewhere like rolling the jeans or shirts gonna save some space, but it felt like it's taking the same space as if I fold, because I tried and it was taking the same space. So I thought it's better just to fold them, not to roll them, because it was taking more time. And then some tracksuits and trousers. It was a difficult decision which things to take, which things to leave behind, but still I choose some of my favorite jeans and these tracksuits. After trousers there was a little space and I just wore my t-shirts and I just put them in between the jeans and the sneakers. And for the sneakers you can just use some wrapping bag, so if you have used them before, they will not affect your clothes, they will not make the clothes dirty or something like that. And to save some space, I think you should put your socks and some other things inside your shoes. So one side is done and now we're going to the other side. Now is the turn for the jackets and the sweater. I don't want to fold them, so I just put them this way. So even if you have some long coats or something, you can just fold it from half and you can put it in the luggage bag this way. After that, there are some spices and some masala from Pakistan, some fry masala, tikka masala and biryani masala. For that I just took all the packets out from the boxes, and so it will take less space, and just put them over there. And why I'm using this one box, because on these packets it was not written like if it's tikka masala or it's fry masala, so I just took out all of the packets from all the boxes and put it in one box, so I will remember this is tikka masala or biryani masala. And now there are some medicines and I will show you which were the medicines I took with me. And here we go with the toothpaste and the one cough syrup. It's done for the perfumes and deodorants and shampoo, this kind of thing. As you can see what I'm doing right now, you should not do this. You should never put the perfumes and the deodorants together like this. I was just collecting them in my bags, so I can just hide them in the clothing, so they will not collide with each other and they will be safe. So this is the best way to do it. I put them under the clothes and in the soft spots, so they will not collide with each other and the luggage will be safe. Here I have a traditional shawl. You must bring your traditional shawls, your caps. We have some traditional Pathani caps, some from Chitral and some from other areas, and some shawls. You must bring them, and whenever you're gonna show your culture to the university or to the outer world, so you need those. you must bring them. And here it goes, my towel and my prayer mat. Everyone must have some things which they never forget to bring whenever they are traveling. Even if I'm traveling inside my country, I'm gonna always take my towel and prayer mat and one more thing. It will come next, and I will tell you that I never forget these things. These are really necessary for me. This one I was talking about, dates or some dry fruits. It's really necessary for me. Even if I'm traveling inside my country, I'm gonna take the dates and some dry fruits with me. And this thing is must. You should always have it. This is a bed sheet, or you can say a cover. So wherever you go, even if you're staying in a hotel or wherever, you should always have your bed sheet or cover with you, so you can just use it, because we don't know if the bedding is clean or not. So you should must take this one too. So here it is, our bag was ready, but I forgot my coat. At that time when I made the video, I had no idea what I'm going to do with this coat. And later, when I came here, as you can see, I used it on Cultural Day and it looked fabulous and everyone praised it. So never miss your favorite things. And after putting everything, it came to my mind like I forgot my belts. So this is how I just adjusted my belts. So our bag is a little ready. We just put the prayer mat over it and just close it, as you can see, and it's not closing, so we need to put some pressure and make some moves to make it a little slim, and that was it. So if you think I'm missing something, or if you want to give some suggestion, just let me know.